This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Smoked paprika chicken is one of those extremely simple recipes that turn out to be so good. This oven-baked chicken uses only 4 ingredients. The smoked paprika and butter give it that smoky flavour and buttery taste, while the lemon brightens up the whole dish.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now prepare the dry rub with 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now, grate the peel of 1 lemon into the mixture. I have a large chicken here, about 1.4 kilograms. Coat the chicken with softened butter. Don't forget to coat the insides as well. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon all over the chicken. Now, dust the chicken with the paprika mixture. Coat the insides as well. Bake the chicken for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. You can tell if the chicken is done when the juices from the thickest part of the chicken runs clear. If the juices is still pink, give it another 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. Then check again. Remove the chicken and let it rest for 15 minutes. This is roasted lemon paprika chicken using only 4 ingredients.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.